Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TechGen Code. Many pupils were asking me that how to do this question number third. Uh, Third, many pupils got the holiday homework, so they don't know how to do this. So in this video, I will taught you that how to do this kind of program, and it is very easy program, but we have to use our brains. So here we have to first see what is the series. The series is 2, 2, 5, 10, 7, 26, and you are able to see the series is this, and the series came like wait, I am owning the white screen that it becomes very clear to you. I will not rename it. So the series is 5 2 2 5. Forget about plus and minus sign, because they are one once it is minus and once it is plus, then it is the same series which is there. So the series is 2 3 10 10 17 16. So first I 2 5, I am writing this first 2 2 5 2 5 10 10 um, 2 5 10 17. Yeah, this is only there. So forget about denominator. First listen about numerator, because it is there. So 5 is equals to 2 plus 3 equals to 5. 5 plus 5 equals to 10, and 17 plus sorry 10 plus 17, sorry 10 plus 7 equals to 17. So it is very clear that all the odd number which are there, so they are only the what to say, um, the numbers that like that you can see that 3 is an odd number, so it is there. 5 is an odd number, it is there. 7 is an odd number, you will not be able to see 2 4 6, because they are even number. The difference between odd and even number is very clear. Difference is that even number are divisible by 2, and odd number do not divisible by 2. So it is very clear that this program becomes very clear. So there was one more digits. 27 plus 9 equals to 26, like you can see here. 26 is here. So I, it seems like it is clear to you. So we are going to denominator. Here must be 26. So denominator is like 201. For students, first you have to learn the concept, because without learning concept, this program may be very difficult for you, because computer and science and math are these three subjects, and all not the three subjects, but all the subjects are based on the concept. If concept is clear, then the subject is very clear to you. So here the 101 0 101 100 98 95 90. So I am writing the words here. So this is it is denominator. It is 100 101 100 1995. No, I am writing it there because it can be confusing for you. So here control V. So 10, and then without seeing the question I can tell. See, see, first see. 101 minus 1 equals to 100. 100 minus 2 equals to 98. 98 minus 3 equals to 95. 95 minus, sorry, 95 5 minus 5 equals to 90. That it is only the series. You can see here the series. It is only the series. So here I think you must be knowing about prime numbers. In class 1 or 2 they 4 or 3 or 4 they teach prime number. So prime number is nothing. The numbers which are divisible by themselves and divisible by 1, that is called prime number. And I think you must be knowing how to know prime number from a Java program. So here I am going to write the program. So I have already made the class DSA, and I am writing the class DSA. You can write name of the class anything because it is user defined, so we cannot do anything. Public static void main main string I am writing AGRS because this thing can be anything. This thing can be anything. So here int, first we have to see what is the first digit. So here first digit is 2. So we have to write here int nominator. So nominator I am writing as nomi equals to 2, and deno domi I am writing it as dominator. I am writing it as dominator equals to here is written 101. So I am closing the brackets. So here it becomes like so. So first we have to do denominator. So for yes, and we have to take from users. N is number of that thing. Import java dot util dot scanner. You can use IO also. It is a buffer reader. You must be knowing about that. Sorry. Then we have to make the object of the class scanner. Sc equals to new scanner system dot in. System dot in. So here the object of this thing. So here I will write first I have to take the value of n. So you can see here the the n. So here is n comes. So we have to take the number. So here n. Int n equals to sc dot next int, because it is a integer number, as you know. So here program should go like this, and in in int I equals to 0, I greater than n, smaller than n, I plus plus, and here you can see for the terms like for it it will the for value will be infinite. You can understand what is infinite, because the for value is infinite. So here in so there will no condition y plus plus. So nominator is prime number or even number, sorry, odd number. So nominator is odd number. So we have to do it like this. If we will not initialize, you must be knowing why we are not initializing it. So int y. Now we will initialize it here. Y equals to 0, y plus plus, and this is y equals like this. So if y want to y equals to 2, y to mod y equals to 0, not equals to 0. So it begins like this, and So first we have doing norming system dot out dot when ln as we have to write norming. So compile it, then press Python. You can see the sorry, it is wrong. It is wrong. So you so I will tell you why it is wrong. It is the wrong program. You don't have to copy it. So where it is becoming wrong. So I have to find it. Why not? Sorry, it is why not? Compile, no syntax error. It is showing like this, and this here 5 to 11, 20. So I know why it is showing like this. Uh, uh, this, uh, this is a silly mistake which students do. So y value is not repeating. So we have to repeat it. We, so it is like here you can see it is 2. So we have to make the permanent value of y. It is getting changed by the time. I will let you know why it is changing. Because of wait, y value is you can see y plus plus. It is becoming like that only. So we have to make the variable we have to make the we have to wait wait I was to we have to we have to not make with nested for. Sorry guys, it was my mistake only, not yours. Because there was one guy told me that it will be going to be in the form of nested loop only, so I was confused, but now it is very clear to me. What I equals to I where it is I'm removing the brackets. So I in I equals to 0, I equals to I plus 1, if I is greater than it will now become easy. Not easy. I will write 6 here. You can see the endless time it is going, because there is no limit. So I will, you can see the PC has been hanged, so I will stop it. To initialize it outside. This you can see the that value is coming only which was given here. Right. So this is the program. You must be wondering that why 2 is not coming, because 2 is also part of the program. 2 you can see here. I am sorry guys, there was some error. I was some thinking something else, but there was some error, so I will let you know. So here I will put normal. This program will be in past, because if I taught you in one video only, then it will be very lengthy. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will put here it as 7. You can see the concept, the 2, 5, 10, 17, 30, 750, as same as this. You can clearly differentiate. There is no difference, so how can you differentiate? So see, first 2, yeah, 2 is there. 10, yeah, 10 is there. 17, yeah, 17 is also there. 26, yeah, 26 is also there. So it shows like the program is well. The second part of this program will be coming soon. So thanks you guys for watching this video. Uh, uh, so most probably that second part will be coming tomorrow or day after tomorrow, because I am busy, because I have many projects to do. So thank you guys for watching this video.